How to allow pop-ups on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can allow or enable pop-ups on your browser on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what you have to do is on your iPad, let's say that you want to enable pop-ups on some of the websites and so on. And in order to do that, we're going to simply start by launching the settings app on our iPad. Once you open your settings on the left hand side, you simply want to go ahead and look for the option which says Safari. So go ahead and then tap on Safari, as you can see right over here. If it's selected, it is going to be highlighted in blue. Now on Safari option, under the General tab right over here, as you can see the option which says General, you have to go ahead and look for the option which says Block Pop-ups, and as you can see right over here, it says Block Pop-ups. And in order to allow pop-ups, we simply have to turn off this toggle next to Block Pop-ups. Now what this does is that if it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in green, as you can see, and if it is turned off, it is going to get basically grayed out. And what you can do is now you'll be able to enable all of the pop-ups. Now to re-enable, repeat the steps and turn the toggle on if you want any time in the future. You also have to understand that you cannot enable or disable the pop-up blocker for a few sites or for custom sites, because on iOS how it generally works is that you have to either do it as a whole or simply not block it at all, and this is simply the way it works. And this is how you can allow pop-ups on your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.